Hello, seniors. Soren right here, Lily right here. We're gonna do Frankenstein vocabulary. It's a dream come true. Okay. So first word. Lily, you go ahead. You go to bed now. Okay. Say goodbye to the seniors. Come over here. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Yep. Go ahead. Head out. Off you go, my love.
But I want to see some more.
Oh, I know. Isn't it exciting? Did you hear that, guys? It's very exciting. It's vocabulary. Okay, friend. Gotta go. Go read your story.
I don't want.
I know. She doesn't want to take off. Look at that fire hat. Isn't it great? Okay, word number 1. Emaciated. Okay, emaciated. It means that you've allowed yourself to, emaciated means you're extremely thin and bony because you haven't been getting the nourishment that you need. Off goes Lily. And then sublime is like this. Man, how do you explain sublime? It's like holy. That's not a good definition. It's like when you're really experiencing a work of art and it seems to elevate you and you have that feeling that something's been revealed to you. That's sublime. You know? Okay, so that really kind of high on art feeling that you get. Minutiae. Those are the little details, the little things. You know, don't worry about the minutiae in your life. Some people might say, because you're not supposed to worry about the little things, apparently. That's word number 3. Word number 4 is to delineate. And to delineate, oh, there's Soren making noise. To delineate is, here, you can get a look at Soren. Here, Soren, look at English 12. Say hello to them. What do you think? There's the little guy. Okay. Delineate is to set out in order. To, like you want to delineate your argument, perhaps, for an essay in our class, which would mean, setting it out point by point. Or if you want to delineate, a little tired. If you want to delineate the issues that you have with a particular idea, then you would set those ideas out one by one. That's delineate. That's word number 4. Word number 5 is vacillate. And to vacillate is to go back and forth, sort of like my son's neck wants to do right now. There we go. We're going to put you down where it's safe. Oh, now you're going to cry at me? Yeah? You're going to let the people hear your voice? Okay, not so much. Vacillate. So if you're vacillating on an issue, it means that you're not quite sure. You haven't made up your mind. First you're thinking one thing, then you're thinking the other. All right, let's see. I'm going to go back through just a little bit since it is just words 1 through 5. Emaciated, it's excessively thin. Sublime is that feeling that you get when you're elevated by a work of art or a sermon, or it's highly charged, Minutiae are the little things, the little details, the trivial details, they might say. Delineate is to set out one by one or point by point. And finally, to vacillate is to kind of go back and forth. You can't make up your mind. You think one thing, you think the other thing. You're not quite landed on your final decision. If I'm going to be uncomfortable with any of these words, it's going to be sublime. Yeah. There. Look at the people. You like that light, don't you? Yeah. If it's sublime that I'm most uncomfortable with. Sublime is kind of I know it when I see it. If I read a really great poem and I get that sort of electric feeling, that sort of, wow, that was really deep and insightful, then I'm feeling this sublime. Oh, I know what explanation I've used in the past for sublime, and that's when you're next to a mountain. Yeah, you don't like this vocabulary word? When you're next to a mountain or you're looking down into the Grand Canyon and you feel small. And you feel like you're part of this big, beautiful world. Oh, yeah. You're part of this big, beautiful world, and you're tiny. That feeling of being small in the universe, and you're surrounded by grandeur, that's also sublime. I guess I would look up sublime if I were you, if you want a simpler definition. But those are the words. So hopefully That helps you, and I'm gonna go put son to bed.